noticed how we're all mice, but a lot of us have different colored fur?
An astute observation,
Yeah,
Twitter.
That's true.
Perhaps Miss Maxwell can enlighten us further about this subject.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mrs. Maxwell.
Oh, what can I do for you guys?
Well, Tunner just pointed out to us that we all have different colored fur.
Yeah.
yes.
Why aren't we the same color?
Well, let me ask you a question, Keisha.
Okay.
What would you think if all the mice in our school were, say, purple, like you?
I guess it wouldn't be as colorful, right?
Or as interesting.
Yes, that's true. You know, there's a word for all the wonderful differences between folks all around the world. It's called diversity.
Do what?
Diversity. That's right. Diversity. And diversity doesn't just mean different colors. It's about other differences, too. Like, the food we eat. Or the music we like. Or the language we speak. Isn't the world a remarkable place with all its variety? Millions of faces of so many races, but no one's exactly like me. How boring if everyone looks like the other, just like a rainbow with only one color. Hey, aren't you glad that we have diversity? It's all part of a beautiful plan. We're different together, hand in hand. It's nature's design to let us shine. It takes all kinds. Imagine if everyone sang the same note. What kind of song would that be? But it comes alive with a third and a five, singing in harmony.
How dull it would be if we wore the same clothes.
Had the same color hair, the same kind of nose.
Hey, aren't you glad you are you? And I am me. It's all part of a beautiful plan. We're different together, hand in hand. It's nature's design to let us shine. It takes all kinds. It's nature's design. Let everyone shine. It takes all kinds. Yeah, it takes all kinds.
Wow, boy! I can't wait to tell Bear and everybody else at home about this.
Thank you,
Thanks, Miss Maxwell.
You're welcome, everyone.